if you have these type of Shareit routers and if you are using them and you have any problem in using these type of routers, then how you can reset this? Yes, you are listening very right. Easily you can do, but how you can do, I'm going to telling you that how you can do. So first of all, remove this power cable and insert after 5 or 3 to 5 seconds, and after that insert this again and keep pressing this reset button over here for about to 10 seconds to 15 seconds, and after that you will see the LED indicators are blinking, and after that you will know that it has been reset right now. After that you have to just set up this device, and how you can set up this device, you can find the video in the description below and I button over there, and you can easily do so. But how you can do so, not there. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Not forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.